Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Gara in Warframe. Gara is a glass-themed Warframe known for her strong defensive abilities and glass-based skills. To obtain Gara, you must first complete the quest Cetus Vigil, and once the quest is completed, you will receive Gara's main blueprint. Next, open your navigation and go to Konzu. Select Bounties. You will find Gara's parts as rewards in different bounty missions. One bounty will drop Gara's Chassis, another will drop Gara's Systems, and the third bounty will drop Gara's Neuroptics. Run each bounty mission until you obtain the specific part that you need. Once you have all three parts, go to the Foundry and craft Gara using the blueprint and the required components. And that's it. We just learned how to unlock Gara by completing Cetus Vigil and how to farm her parts through the appropriate bounties from Konzu. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.